In a recent video, I posted some footage of a project that I'm working on, and I asked the question, can you guess what I'm building? Well, it should come as no surprise that someone from Finland guessed. That's right, Eric. I'm building a sauna. And if you've seen some of my other videos, you know I use pallets in a lot of these types of projects. And so this is a pallet and pallet wood sauna. I originally had planned to just make kind of like one big video that was like, surprise, here it is. But it's taking me a while to do it because I'm prototyping as I go. So I would love to get your feedback on this project. Here's a sneak peek at what I've done so far. I already have partners for some of the items that will go into the building of this sauna. And specifically, I already received the heat source. And I'm super excited to show you how I'm going to be heating my sauna. So stay tuned for that in an upcoming video. You know, overall, I want this design to be as accessible as possible. You know, maybe not entry-level carpentry, but pretty basic and easy to follow. And so I'm curious, when I figure out the plans and the design, would you be interested in downloading them? Could you let me know in the comments section below? Also, I'm just curious about your ideas, your input, your questions as to this build. I answer and I read all of my comments and I answer them all. Please hit the bell icon. Please check out my shop and stay tuned for more videos on the Pallet Wood Sauna.